with our mates. There's a lot of people out here. That's the mountain biking trails, and that's what we're gonna sneak into. But I can't start from here because there's too many people, and I gotta get that out of the car. Good day, mates. I'm back. Jerryventure, we out here, man. We're gonna shred some mad trails, alright? Mad trails. So today's plan, alright? Today's plan is to get over to that tarmac track. There's a lot of people out here. This is a downhill mountain biking area. There's full trails for it. It's pretty insane. There's people on horses, there's people hiking. There's just a lot of people. And motorbikes piss people off. So we're gonna get into some fun today. Some shit is going to happen. First place we're heading, man. I have been up here once before and it's insane. Massive mountain hill and it just jumps. Bye, 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 bye. We gotta go down here and then up that, which if I zoom in, just see the trail right there through the trees, and it just goes straight up. Started first check, it's been a good day, man.
There's a pyramid of power with eyes that can see it all. Cameras to capture your image at City Hall. Realize they listen whenever you make a call. If you want a revolution, I'll really give it to y'all. Strength is the army that bands against bands of dead presidents, determining life of mankind of cancerous. How we breathe vapors, greed got us bleeding in streets for cheap paper. Assemble the masses, melt the plastic compound. Realign when the shit gets drastic. Lift the veil when the systems are masters. Just another pyramid scheme, a government racket. Power with the power of Charles Jurassic. Nation T-Rex with covert tactics. Rise from the ashes, they break the atlas.
dog. That looks tricky. Holy shit, I was not expecting that. Look at that. Look at him go. Send it. Oh, he didn't send it. Man. Look at this. Loop 3. Difficult. I say we fucking go for it. What? Difficult? You difficult, motherfucker! You difficult! What? Bop, bop, bop. Go into the trail. See what they classify as difficult there.
Damn it! It got me. It got me, alright. I thought I felt sluggish, man. My back brake's stuck on. Look. The bike was broken. The back brake was stuck on that whole way through that trail, man. It felt so sluggish. I was like, what the fuck? It must have been when I hit it, man. It was just jammed. Like, works now. Looks like I've blown this right out. The front wheel is fucked too. Like, the other day I noticed every single spoke was loose, like insanely loose, when I was out here doing jumps the other day. So yeah, I've completely warped the wheel. I can see when I ride. Pretty flat too. It's not good. Oh fuck. Shit, cat, fuck. Spider web. Spider web. The back wheel keeps locking up and it's causing the engine to stall out. That swing arm bolt is moving. I'm gonna have to head home. Look at that. That swing arm is fucking loose, man. I bet they snapped the bolt in the middle somewhere. Alrighty. Bro, I keep hearing a dog bark. I've heard it all, like the whole time I've been out here riding. I know what it is now. It's the fucking swing arm. That's what that sound is. It sounds like a dog barking here and there. Just I must have snapped the bolts in it for sure. Hopefully fucking not, and it's just come loose. I can tighten everything up. Get back out here tomorrow. Disable the back brake. Fuck it, you don't need that shit. Training tonight, so I can't do this. Can't do it. Oh, that's not good for him. Get out of the way, Bodie. Fuck, my leg. To go low gear. Oh my god, I made it. I made it back, man. Let's recap. I don't know how I made that, but this thing is fucked now, man. Back brake is stuck on. The whole fucking... It's got drum brakes, man. It's just exploded. It's actually cracked. Holy shit, I didn't realize that. The swing arm is fucking loose. Oh, dude. I've probably snapped this bolt in here. The bike has been KO'd, man. Done. Cheers for watching, guys. That was fun. There is so much more out here to explore. I'm coming back tomorrow. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow, man. We can shred some more. If you're happy and you know it, clap the like button, click subscribe. Jerry's saying goodbye. Bring the madness.